Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get started with Notion AI. Alright, so you click on your browser. Alright, so you type in notion.com, you click on enter. Alright, so here you are in Notion. So the next thing for you to do is to click on the sign up button. Alright, so the next thing is to click on continue with Google. Alright, so the next thing is to click on the Gmail that you want to use. So I click on it. Alright, so I'm going to use for personal. I'm going to use with orders. So I'm going to select all these entries because I want to use them. Then continue. Alright, so click on continue. Click on continue. Then I'm not going to download the app, but I'll continue. Take me to Notion. Alright, so this is a welcome information getting started on Notion. So here I am. So the next thing to do is to go to my left hand side to tap on the three lines. Alright, so these are the tools here in Notion. So you have meal planner, you have monthly budget, you have job application tracker, you have journal, you have reading list, you have project planner, travel planner, weekly to-do list. So whatever things you want to create, you click on it and then you create. So let's assume we want to create meal planner. Alright, so you click on it. Alright, so these are templates already. We have Greek salad, omelette, we have hummus wrap, vanilla ice cream, and then on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Friday, on Sunday. So you can decide to change them to your own taste. Alright, so you have a template already, but if you don't want the template, you can create your own from scratch. Alright, you can really create your own from scratch. So but for me, I will leave this template because I only wanted to show you how it is now. So I haven't finished. Let's say you have finished creating your okay, let me just click this one to edit. I will just write rice. I'm sure you like rice. Alright, so I'm just trying to alter it, not that I'm really doing the real thing. Alright, now that we finished creating it, the next thing is for you to click on these three dots in the right, then you click on copy link. So when you copy the link, let's assume you are doing it to send to someone, then you can send it to someone. Alright, so if someone needs a kind of to have a meal planner, you can write it and then click copy the link to send it to them. Alright, so another thing is a journal. Let's click on journal. Alright, so you can see this one, a peaceful walk to the forest. So if you don't want this, you can do your own. Maybe going on a vacation, you just write it. Okay, I'm gonna change it 2025. Alright, January. Okay, April 2025. So the topic is going on a vacation with my friends. Alright, so I want to put it. Alright, so I'm not specific. You can still write the date, you can write anything. Then the next thing you have to do is to continue typing the note. This is what you're gonna do. Alright, so if you are done and you still want to add another journal, you can click on add new journal entry. Then you put it the date, and then you can still add another journal. So all these things, as you're adding there, they will be saved in an account. Then if you want to share it also, you click on those three dots and then you copy the link and then to share to people that you want them to view it. Alright, so that's very important. So I will advise if you can download the app and it will do you good. Let's also go back again. So let's create another thing. Okay, so you can also create a page here. You click on it to create a new page. Alright, any kind of page you want to create, either let's say home page here. You want to create a home page. Alright, so let's assume you are trying to create a website, then you still add another page again. So you can add another page. Okay, so text, then you can now type the text here. Hi, this is the first time using Notion. This is the first time. Hi, this is my first time using Notion, and it's a great tool, and it's a great tool. Alright, so okay, so you can still add another if you want to. So if you want to add a heading, you can add a heading. So invitation, so you can still continue writing. So there is no limit to what you can write in Notion. Okay, so you can write a lot of things. So, and again, if you want to do a kind of to-do list also, you can come over and create on the to-do list template here. So whatever things you want, these are the to-do list here. You can from here create. Maybe you have something that you want to do on Tuesday, you have something that you want to do on Monday, you have something that you want to do on Wednesday. Then that's how you arrange them. Okay, one after the other. Then you can still go again, then we can go back to home. Alright, so that's the page we added. Alright, so now you can decide to go on and explore Notion and then use it to keep track of your work, of your office documents, office works, and all sorts of things like that. So remember, there's no limit to what you can use Notion for. Alright, so thanks for watching the video. God bless.